What a go on, my peeps? Bless up. My day again. And for my international viewers, much love and much respect. For you first time visitors visiting Shaw's Place, I'm happy to have you. Today, we are going to be hybridizing a HP 22-inch monitor along with a TCL 24-inch TV. Stick around to see what the outcome is going to be. We are going to get started. We're removing the HP display from its stand. We have successfully removed the display from its base. I believe that this device allows the unit to swivel. And now we are going to be removing the bracket that's fastened to the back of the display. Bracket is successfully removed. We now will be removing the display. Now guys, for this operation to be successful, this bracket needs to be compatible with the back of the TCL. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Guess what guys, we have a perfect match. Will the screws also fit? Let's see. Guys, this donor transplant is going perfect so far. Bracket successfully mounted to the back of the TCL TV. Let's now discard of the TCL support. swivel to the HP base. Guys, do you think this is going to be a successful transplant? For the moment of truth, will the TCL 24-inch TV now fit on the HP base? Guys, it looks like we have a successful operation. We are now able to swivel our 24-inch TCL TV. Also to tilt the display upward and down. We are also able to adjust the height of our display. So guys, please leave in the comments what you think we should call this crossbreed between TCL and HP. Also leave your thoughts about this operation. Leave me some love in the form of like and a comment. Thanks for watching.